all the way round. Hi dancers, it's Miss Hannah from Stardust, and in this video we are going to be learning the Spanish fan dance from Swan Lake. So if you've got a fan somewhere at home, it will be perfect to use in this dance, but if you haven't, don't worry because you can always pretend. So follow along with me and I really hope you enjoy this dance. We're going to start with our fan upside down, covering our face. Good job. And we're going to take it to the side and stretch our foot and then bring it back behind. And again, open and close. Open and in. Then we're going to lift our fan up and we're going to go round on our toes. Spin. Lovely. Very good. And then we do that again. Open and tuck your foot behind. And open and behind. One more. Open and behind. Up on your toes and fan yourself as you spin round. Wonderful. Should we try the first little bit together of the Spanish dance? So tuck one foot behind, turn your fan up. Here we go. Round on your toes. Good, all the way round. And again. Up on your toes. And in a circle. Beautiful. Lovely, well done everyone. So for the next part of our Spanish dance, we're going to step and hop to the side. So holding your fan in front of you, we're going to step to the side, swish our leg up into attitude devant and do a lovely hop. Good, and then step, point, step, point to go the other side. Step and hop, step and point, step and point. Beautiful. Should we try that a little bit quicker? Are you ready? Step and hop, step and point, step and hop, and point, and point. Good job. Let's add it on from the beginning. Turn those fans up. Here we go. Up on your toes. All the way round. And again. Up. Are you ready to step and hop? Great work everyone, those step and hops are quick. So the next bit's a bit easier. We're going to give ourselves a lovely fan and we're going to rock side to side. Beautiful, that's it. Point those toes as you rock. Lovely, and then we repeat our step and hop and step and point section again. You're doing well with this dance. Let's try it from the very beginning. Here we go. Round on your toes. wonderful dancing ballerinas. This is such fun to do with our fans. Let's try our Spanish dance one more time. Get your fans ready. And fan. All the way round. Up on your toes. Good job, everyone. Round. Ready to step and hop. And fan. Step and hop again. Ready? Lovely. Big circle. Are you ready for the beginning again? And finishing pose. Oh, well done everybody. That was very beautiful dancing. I really hope that you've enjoyed the video today. If you want to learn some more dances from Swan Lake, I've made a whole ballet class full of Swan Lake dances, so I'll pop the link below if you want to check that one out. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button below, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you know when I make more videos for you just like this one. Thanks for watching, and hope to dance with you again soon.